Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage. The DTC P0651 refers to a malfunction in the sensor reference voltage 2 circuit, specifically for the Honda Accord models from 2017 to 2023. This diagnostic trouble code indicates that there is an electrical circuit issue that impacts sensor operations but does not involve mechanical problems with the transmission. This code can trigger alerts in the vehicle's monitoring system, and if diagnosed correctly, it leads to appropriate remediation. Recognizing the likely causes and troubleshooting steps are crucial for a successful resolution. Therefore, it's vital to consult the vehicle's service manual for detailed guidance while handling this error. The DTC P0651 indicates a malfunction in the electrical circuit associated with the sensor reference voltage 2, impacting various components. The primary components involved include the CVT speed sensor and the torque converter turbine speed sensor, both of which are crucial for the proper functioning of the continuously variable transmission CVT system. These sensors send data regarding vehicle speed and engine load to the Transmission Control Module, TCM, which processes this information to optimize shifting and performance. The CVT speed sensor is typically located near the transmission case, while the torque converter turbine speed sensor is situated near the torque converter assembly. An interruption in power or ground supply to these sensors can lead to erroneous data readings, thereby triggering the P0651 code. The possible causes for the P0651 DTC include several electrical issues rather than any mechanical failures. Poor connections and loose terminals between the TCM and specific sensors may interrupt the flow of data, leading to diagnostic trouble codes. Additionally, shorted wiring can occur if the wires experience wear or damage, causing them to touch ground or power unexpectedly. Other potential causes include malfunctions in the sensors themselves, either due to internal failure or external damage. Each of these issues contributes to the communication breakdown between components essential for the vehicle's operational efficiency. When a P0651 DTC is present, the most common symptom is the illumination of the check engine light on the dashboard. This warning light alerts the driver to a potential issue that needs urgent attention. Additionally, drivers may experience performance issues related to the transmission, such as erratic shifting or loss of power, which are directly influenced by the sensors that are failing to transmit accurate readings. Other symptoms may include sporadic intermittent failures, where the vehicle might function correctly at times, but display the error code under certain conditions. These symptoms can lead to further complications if not resolved promptly, drawing on the importance of early diagnostics. The first troubleshooting step is to verify the existence of the P0651 code. Begin by turning the vehicle's ignition to the on position, which powers up the vehicle's electrical systems without starting the engine. Using the Honda Diagnostic System, HDS, you will then clear any existing DTCs to ensure an accurate assessment can be made. After clearing the codes, switch the vehicle to the off, lock position, and then back to on again. The next action involves checking the HDS for any pending or confirmed DTCs. If the P0651 code shows up again, it confirms the failure. However, if it does not, this may indicate an intermittent issue that requires examination of connections and terminals between the TCM and relevant sensors. In the second troubleshooting step, you will focus on identifying the potential area of failure associated with the DTC. Clear the DTC again using the HDS and switch the vehicle to the off/lock mode. Next, disconnect the 3P connectors for both the CVT speed sensor and the torque converter turbine speed sensor. Once these connectors are disengaged, turn the vehicle's ignition to the on position once more. Use the HDS to check for any pending or confirmed DTCs again. If the P0651 code appears again, it indicates a more focused issue within the circuit associated with these sensors. If not, further investigation into connections and terminal integrity is warranted. The third step in troubleshooting involves assessing the specific components to identify whether they have become shorted. While reconnecting the sensors one at a time, utilize the HDS to check for pending or confirmed DTCs. This method allows for focused testing to determine which sensor may be the culprit of the issue. If the P0651 code reappears upon reconnecting a particular sensor, it indicates that the component is likely malfunctioning and needs prompt replacement. If the code does not reoccur, check the connections and terminals around the TCM to ensure that they are not the underlying cause of the DTC. Addressing issues with the sensors or their connectors is critical in restoring proper function. In this fourth step, the focus shifts to checking for any shorted wires in the VCC lines that may lead to ground issues. Begin by turning the vehicle to the off-lock mode and disconnecting the 50P connector from the TCM. It's essential to test for continuity between the specified points and body ground individually, while ensuring the vehicle remains off. The test points include the CVT speed sensors 3P, the torque converter turbine speed sensors 3P connector, and the TCM's 50P connector. If continuity is found when testing against body ground, this indicates that there is a short circuit in the VCC wire leading to that sensor. Repairs of the affected wiring are necessary to restore the proper circuit function. The final troubleshooting step focuses on checking for shorts in the VCC lines leading to power. Start by turning the vehicle to the on mode, ensuring that electrical systems are powered. With the connectors for the CVT speed sensor, torque converter turbine speed sensor, and TCM still disconnected, measure the voltage between the specified test points and body ground. If battery voltage is detected at the terminals, it signifies a short to power in the VCC wiring, necessitating repairs to restore proper connections. Conversely, if no voltage is present, it indicates that the VCC wires are functioning as expected. In such cases, it's essential to check for any authorized service information related to the symptoms you are troubleshooting, or consider substituting a known good TCM and re-evaluating the DTC status. Once repairs are completed, it is crucial to verify the effectiveness of the completed work. Begin by rechecking the DTC status using the HDS to ensure that the P0651 code has been cleared and does not reappear. This final check confirms that the root cause of the circuit malfunction has been addressed. Furthermore, conduct a comprehensive inspection of all components related to the issue, including wiring, terminals, and connectors, to ensure everything is in proper working order. This step ensures that the vehicle is free of electrical issues and confirms the reliability of repairs made. Always document any changes or repairs to maintain accurate service records for future reference. To mitigate future occurrences of DTC P0651, implementing a preventive maintenance routine is essential. Regular inspections of electrical connections, harnesses, and sensors can catch potential issues before they evolve into larger problems. Checking for signs of wear, corrosion, or loose terminals can enhance the longevity of the vehicle's electrical systems. Maintaining clean and secure connections will ensure the smooth operation of the transmission system as well. It's also beneficial to stay updated with the latest technical service bulletins related to your vehicle's updates. This proactive approach can minimize issues related to the sensor reference voltage circuit and prolong the life of your Honda Accord. In summary, DTC P0651 highlights a malfunction within the sensor reference voltage 2 circuit, primarily due to electrical issues. It's crucial to understand that this DTC does not stem from mechanical failures in the transmission. By adhering to the outlined troubleshooting steps diligently, one can accurately pinpoint whether the problem lies within the sensors, the TCM, or potentially faulty wire. Addressing these issues comprehensively can lead to effective repairs and an overall smoother operation of the vehicle. Preventive maintenance plays a vital role in reducing the likelihood of encountering similar issues in the future, thereby ensuring the reliability and longevity of your Honda Accord. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.